Hi everyone, welcome to online class. I am Rupesh Upadhyay. Today I am going to explain about civics chapter 1 and power sharing in Hindi, which is सत्ता की साझेदारी. First of all, we just try to know about that. What do you mean by power sharing? In Hindi, power शक्ति, sharing बांटना. According to book, सत्ता means ruling system. साझेदारी means क्या? हिस्सेदारी. So, in simple way, in a democratic government, all the people are part of the government, and a ruling government is for the entire population, not a particular social group or religious social group और लिंग्विस्टिक सोशल ग्रुप. दैट मीन्स इन हिंदी, सरकार सारी जनता की होती है, ना कि किसी एक समुदाय की, चाहे वो भाषा पर या धर्म पर या जाति पर आधारित हो. तो आज इस चैप्टर में आप यही समझने का प्रयास करेंगे कि अगर एक सरकार सबों के बीच में बराबरी का भाव रखती है तो वो देश शांतिपूर्वक आगे बढ़ने में सहायक होगा और वो तरक्की के रास्ते पर जाएगा. बट अ नेशन डू नॉट शेयर इक्वालिटी इन ईच एंड एवरी सोशल ग्रुप. दैट मीन्स इट मे क्रिएट वायलेंस, इट मे क्रिएट डिफरेंशिएशन, एंड इट इज नॉट वेरी हेल्दी फॉर डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट और फॉर सोसाइटी ऑल्सो. सो फॉर द बेटर सिचुएशन, understanding the better condition, we try to explain about the condition of two nations. So first we move to which? Belgium. Belgium, point 1, European nation. European nation. Okay. Now next one. 4 nations have touched the boundary. Netherlands, okay, France, okay, Germany, and in some book Luxembourg. Okay, ethnic composition. Naturally, the citizen who naturally survive in the country, which is called ethnic. In India, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, that is ethnic. So ethnic composition, that means Dutch, okay, 59%. French, okay, no, German. French 40%, and German 1%. Okay, it is nationwide, entire nation population ratio. Dutch survive in Flemish region. Where? फ्लेमिश रीजन. ये रहता कहाँ है? फ्लेमिश में. और डच स्पीकर है, डच भाषा बोलने वाले लोग. फ्रेंच सर्वाइव इन वेलोनिया रीजन. कहाँ? वेलोनिया में रहता है. और ये जो जर्मन है ना 1%, ये एक ब्रुसेल्स के नजदीक रहता है थोड़ा सा. तो आप समझ लीजिए अच्छा से कि ये एक यूरोपियन नेशन है. 4 देशों की बाउंड्री लगी हुई है, नीदरलैंड, फ्रांस, जर्मनी और लग्जमबर्ग. पूरे देश की आबादी में डच बोलने वाले 59 है, फ्रेंच बोलने वाले 40% है और जर्मन बोलने वाले 1% है. ये इस देश की पूरी कहानी है. लेकिन कैपिटल ब्रुसेल्स, बेल्जियम की राजधानी कहाँ है? ब्रुसेल्स. ब्रुसेल्स में उल्टा है. 80% कौन है? फ्रेंच स्पीकर. कौन है? फ्रेंच स्पीकर. 20% कौन है? आपका डच स्पीकर. सो लुक एट हियर. In country 59% Dutch means majority. In capital Brussels 80% French. That means majority French, minority Dutch. Where? Capital. In country majority Dutch and French in minority. These are the conditions in Belgium. So that if you ask question, describe about the ethnic composition of Belgium, you can explain about that. Now the next paragraph and the question is, what are the major factors of ethnic tension in Belgium? ethnic tension. Tension number one. Tension number one. The Dutch, who are majority in the country, are minority in the capital. Point one. Ethnic tension number two. French are rich, powerful, educative, and control the entire capital. Dutch are not equally treated as French. Dutch are not economically powerful, not much educated, and they did not have much amount of resource. So Dutch wanted equality. French did not provide equality. That create a social tension, and during 50s and 60s, the nation came under such critical situation, it may divide on the basis of language. Okay, so these are the conditions of ethnic tension in Belgium, because Dutch and French have a different social status. French rich, powerful, Dutch were not economically strong, Dutch were not controlled in capital, Dutch were not. These are the main conditions of ethnic tension in Belgium. Now we move to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, that means what? Sri Lanka, our neighboring country, neighboring island country, just few kilometers away from Tamil Nadu coast. Tamil Nadu coast, few kilometers, that means what? 30 kilometers almost. Okay, here is also ethnic composition, means locally surviving people. Look at here, 74% Sinhala community. Okay, 18% Tamil community, 7% Christian community. Understand? So these are the conditions, ethnic conditions. But here is also some tension. What kind of tension? Look at here. Sinhala what? What followed? Buddhism. Sinhala followed Buddhism as a religion. And in Tamil, there are Hindus and Muslims. And Christian is Christians. So there is a diversity in religious ideology. Okay. Now, in 18% Tamil, in 5% Indian Tamil, okay, who went during the time of colonial rule. 13% Sri Lankan Tamil, okay, and these Tamil are surviving in northern part of Sri Lanka, northern part, understand? Northern and northeastern part, okay. Tamil and Sinhala, both ideologies are very different, because Sinhala do not provide any kind of facility, equality and opportunity to the Tamils. That's why Sinhala tried to show the supremacy power over the Tamil, that caused the ethnic tension, okay, in Sri Lanka. So understand, we explain about Belgium ethnic group, composition and causes of ethnic tension. We explain about Sri Lanka ethnic group and causes of ethnic tension. So these are the conditions in the country. What about the effort of the government? So we explain in the next topic, in next video. First, you prepare your book, see the chapter and then read it.